Hello poultry farmer. This is a continuation on simplicity of poultry farming. Let me start by saying a chicken house is called a chicken coop or hen house. It's good to note that poultry farming is a form of animal husbandry which raises domesticated birds such as chicken, ducks, turkey, geese to produce meat or eggs for food. More than 60 billion chickens are slaughtered for consumption annually worldwide. That's why I want to talk about feed consumption. An adult laying chicken will eat about half a cup of feed per day. Basic feeding programs for small chicken. Note, small chicks will double their weight 4 to 5 times in the first 6 weeks of life. This tremendous growth demands proper nutrition. A commercially prepared chick start is the best way to provide a complete nutritional package at all times. The starter feed should contain a coxyl start to stop intestinal damage caused by one of the common types of chicken parasites. Failure to use a fortified supplement in the correct proportions will make you incur great losses in the long run. Once you do that, and you maintain high level of hygiene, that is, disinfecting your chicken coop and drinkers at least once in every week. Use a correct disinfectant that is safe for chicken. Once you realize there is slow rate of feed consumption, slow rate in drinking water, the chicken becomes less active, change of chicken droppings, that is, they might be bloody or have whitish particles, be quick to act and put a proper antibiotic that will be guided by your veterinary and a proper multivitamin to boost their immunity. It's good to note that young chicks, just like babies, have innate immunity which is very low immunity that is not helpful. And for that reason, you have to act fast. That way you minimize your cost production, that is production cost, and you also minimize losses that are incurred through chicken rearing. Learning is a continuation, and I'll leave that for today. Let me stop at that for today. Remember to follow me for more updates concerning chicken rearing. Was it helpful? Kindly support by subscribing. Thank you.